Welcome to the My Channel Global Car. Your favorite auto hub, where we bring you the latest reviews, insights, and updates from the world of cars. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our car enthusiast family. Today, we're talking about one of India's most loved compact sedans, the 2025 Maruti Dzire. Known for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and urban-friendly design, the Dzire returns this year with a refined look and smarter features. The 2025 model comes with a fresh front grille design, sleeker LED headlamps, and new alloy wheels that add a premium touch. Maruti has also improved aerodynamics, giving the car a slightly sharper stance. It still holds on to its compact sedan silhouette, but the design feels more modern and mature than ever before. Inside, the Dzire has been updated with a dual-tone dashboard, a larger 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support. The fit and finish have been improved with better quality materials, making the cabin more premium. Rear seat comfort continues to be a highlight, with good legroom and supportive cushioning for longer drives. Under the hood, the 2025 Dzire is powered by the next-gen 1.2-liter dual-jet petrol engine, now tuned for better performance and mileage. You can choose between a 5-speed manual and a smooth AMT gearbox. Mileage figures are impressive, crossing the 23 kmpl mark for the petrol variant, making it one of the most fuel-efficient sedans in its class. On the safety front, Maruti has added 6 airbags in higher variants, along with ESP and hill hold assist. The new platform also meets the latest crash test norms, giving you peace of mind on the road. The 2025 Dzire is priced competitively, starting around 6.8 lakh rupees, going up to 9